guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today is our first sneak peek for our December release. We've got really cute love cats. We have a beautiful paper pad in the colors of red and pink and coordinating ephemera. This really cute stamp set. This will be in your box of the month. This is Purrs and Kisses. Those kitties are just so adorable. We have sentiments, I love you, meow, and forever. You make my heart purr. You're the cat's meow. Love me, purrs and kisses. Get some little paw prints, a little fish skeleton, a ball of yarn with a little heart, little dangly heart, and 4 kittens. There's a little cute little heart right there that you can stamp above your kitties. Let's take a look at this gorgeous paper. So we've been really busy with our Black Friday promotions and Thanksgiving and all of that. So if I can't get to all of the sneak peeks, just remember that release day is on the 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. You'll be able to get your hands on this gorgeous paper pad, ephemera pack, and the other paper pad. There's another collection, so hopefully I'll have time to share that. So you get 4 of each design in here. And speaking of Black Friday, don't forget to check out our Black Friday mystery bundles and our Black Friday specially curated bundles from our DT members. Those will be available on Friday. They are priced to sell, so shop early for the best selection. Look at that, that's so cute. This one says, I love you. Super cute cats with presents. This is a pretty color. Some hearts. Make some great Valentine's Day cards. Look how cute. Anniversary cards, birthday cards, thinking of you. Really pretty. This is a beautiful red. So, really pretty. The little sparkles. Love it. And then coordinating ephemera is going to match perfectly, so you'll have beautiful, seamless, professional looking cards. All right, let's spread this all out. We can take a picture. So we got these really cute kittens. Look at this. How cute is that? It's a heart, single kitty, and there's sentiments in here that say, I love you. Little envelopes, so this would be great to send a little happy mail to someone. The paw prints, anyone who loves pets. Little heart, locket, some bows. Got your little couples in different sizes. Some pink hearts and some red ones. These ones kind of look watercolored. There's a tiny little cat, and your paw prints are in different sizes as well. We've got some presents in different sizes here. Okay, so there's everything laid out for you. All right, so I've cut out some papers. We're going to put this together really quickly. We have a guest designer for December, so please welcome Jana Mays at J. Marie Designed. So she's going to be working with our papers for the month of December, so I look forward to that, and I hope you check out her channel as well. So let's go ahead and glue this up. And I'm using Barely Art glue, and I just restocked the shop with all of the Barely Art glue sizes. So we have the mini, the original with the keepsake box, the refill, and I believe the combo pack. So we're going to leave a white border. I'm going to put peel off strips on the side of this. I thought it would look really cute with some gold, since there's a lot of gold in the colors of this paper pad. So happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I hope you guys are having a fabulous Thanksgiving. I hope you're able to be with your family or friends during this holiday. And if not, we are so thankful to have you as part of our Not Too Shabby family. Okay, so we're going to put this scallop on. I'm going to add that a little bit towards the top, not exactly center. And then the cute little paw prints for our backdrop. And let's pop up the I love you and the little cats. Okay, so I'm going to add the sentiment first. I'm going to center that right in between our white strip. And then we'll just lay that slightly on top of the sentiment. There we go. And let's see if I have any coordinating enamel dots. From our Celebrate collection, we have these enamel dots that have red and white, so these will match nicely. So I'm going to use a few of these. Let's see, where do I want to add my enamel dots? Okay, I think 3 is good. And then we have to shine up that heart. So I'm going to get some Nouveau Crystal Glaze. I think it would be really cute to shine up the eyes as well. And maybe this little collar. Okay, so that looks adorable. So check back tomorrow to see if I was able to get a sneak peek up. If not, I will definitely have my Black Friday video up sharing all the different bundles available. There will be no coupon code needed. I will put each item on sale. So we're going to have some great deals. So check out the shop tomorrow. And shop early for the best selection because there are limited supplies on those bundles. So I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy cute card today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys!